Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. It's another exciting day here at Travel Vibe, your ultimate destination for all things travel and adventure. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of budget travel, exploring the mindset and skills required to be a successful budget traveler. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to affordable exploration, let's get started. When it comes to budget travel, it's not just about finding the cheapest flights or accommodations. It's about adopting a mindset that allows you to make the most of every dollar, creating amazing experiences while saving money along the way. So, let's explore the key mindset and skills that can help you become a successful budget traveler. First and foremost, successful budget travelers embrace flexibility. This means being open to new experiences, adjusting your plans when necessary, and seizing opportunities as they arise. By being flexible with your travel dates, destinations, and even accommodations, you'll have a greater chance of snagging those amazing deals and discounts. Planning and research are the backbone of budget travel. Take the time to research affordable destinations, off-peak travel seasons, and budget-friendly activities. By planning ahead, you'll have a better understanding of the costs involved and can allocate your funds accordingly. This way, you'll avoid any financial surprises along the way. Budgeting is a crucial skill for any successful budget traveler. It involves setting a realistic travel budget and sticking to it. Begin by determining your overall trip expenses, including transportation, accommodation, meals, and activities. Then, break down your budget further to allocate specific amounts for each category. This way, you can make informed decisions about where to splurge and where to save. One of the joys of travel is immersing yourself in the local culture. Successful budget travelers understand that authentic experiences often come at little or no cost. Engage with locals, try the street food, attend cultural events or festivals, and explore local neighborhoods. By embracing the local culture, not only will you save money, but you'll also gain a deeper appreciation for the destination you're visiting. Resourcefulness is a valuable skill for any budget traveler. It's all about finding creative solutions to save money and make the most of your resources. From finding hidden gems and free attractions to bargaining for better prices, resourcefulness allows you to stretch your budget further and unlock unique experiences that might have otherwise been missed. And there you have it, fellow travelers, the mindset and skills required to be a successful budget traveler. By embracing flexibility, planning ahead, mastering budgeting, embracing local culture, and developing resourcefulness, you'll be well on your way to exploring the world on a budget. So, get out there, keep that travel vibe alive, and until next time, happy budget travels.